how to draw the letter T from Alphabetlore step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step, let's begin by drawing two big circular shapes for the eyes. One on the left and one on the right hand side of the page. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub. Next, on the inside of each of these circles, let's draw the pupils by drawing black rectangular shapes going up and down. We'll fill these in completely black. Nicely done! Now let's do the same thing on the left hand side as well. Now let's go ahead and connect those two eyes that we just drew together. We'll use a simple line going from left to right. Next, right below this line, let's go ahead and draw two smaller lines that will connect to the eyes. These two lines will not connect because we're going to leave a small gap for the bottom part of the T. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to keep in mind that we've drawn other Alphabetlore characters like the letter F and the letter A as well. I'll include a link to those drawings down in the description of today's video. Now last but not least, before we color in today's drawing, let's go ahead and draw the mouth, right in between the two eyes in the top part of the shape. We will draw an outline of a shape that looks similar to an upside down oval. On the inside of the shape, we're going to draw the teeth by making V lines. This is how to draw the letter T from Alphabetlore. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and next I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in. Great job today. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.